Hey everyone, Adriana here. I am doing this video from my Princeton Makes studio, and I wanted to let you know that I've just redesigned the whole space here. I've brought in a lot of my small artworks, which are now available at an amazingly low price, and wanted to give you a heads up on something we have going on October 1st. It's the first festival that Princeton Makes is organizing, and it will happen here in the Princeton Shopping Center Courtyard. It is called Art in the Courtyard. So save the date, October 1st from 11 to 5. We have planned a number of activities for kids. We have face painting, we'll have henna tattoos, and a wide array of artists and artisans, all local, bringing in handmade art and products, especially for you. We'll have music in the courtyard and also a food drive in collaboration with the food pantry, the Princeton Mobile Food Pantry, and with the incredible help of the Junior League of Greater Princeton. So I hope that you have saved your this date on the calendar, and we invite you to come and see what we've prepared for you. Again, Art in the Courtyard happening October 1st, and super specials going on through my studio until October 1st. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.